As the most common form of cancer, lung cancer affects millions worldwide. According to 2012 statistics, of the estimated 14.1 million cancer cases diagnosed worldwide, 13% of those were lung cancer cases, with cigarette smoking cited as the main cause, followed by secondhand smoke, air pollution, radon, and asbestos. When caught in the early stages, lung cancer is treatable, but unfortunately, most lung cancer cases are not diagnosed until later stages. If you or a loved one is diagnosed with a disease, you shouldn't give up hope. This is not the time to blame yourself or a loved one for not quitting smoking. Instead, it is time to start gathering as much information as you can about lung cancer treatment and seek to find the most appropriate treatment for you or a loved one. Medical science has seen many innovative discoveries over the last decade. It is these discoveries that provide options for more effective lung cancer treatment, and as a result, the survival rate for lung cancer has steadily increased since 2005. Treatment for lung cancer primarily involves surgical removal of the cancer, chemotherapy, or radiation therapy, as well as combinations of these treatments. Targeted therapies and immunotherapy are becoming more common as well. The decision about which treatments will be appropriate for a given individual must take into account the location and extent of the tumor, as well as the overall health status of the patient. Another thing you should consider when looking for an effective treatment is clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies which allow doctors to find new ways to improve treatments and the quality of life for people with disease. Clinical trials are the final step in a long process that begins with research in a laboratory. Before any new treatment is applied to human patients, researchers work for many years to understand its effects on cancer cells in the lab and in animals. They also try to figure out the side effects it may cause. Anytime you or a loved one needs treatment for cancer, clinical trials are an option to consider. Trials are available for all stages of cancer. All clinical trials are governed by the FDA, so you can be sure that they are safe and conducted by professionals. You also don't need to spend any money when participating in clinical trials because they are completely free and no insurance is needed. All expenses will be taken care of by the pharmaceutical companies conducting the trials. Today, people are living longer lives from successful cancer treatments that are the result of past clinical trials. Through clinical trials, doctors determine whether new treatments are safe and effective and work better than current treatments. So don't wait, because time is definitely not on your side. Start looking for clinical trial options available to you or a loved one. There is no need to ask for your doctor's referral. Even if you've tried standard treatments, a clinical trial may offer new options. The most important thing is not to give up. Stay optimistic so that you can join the millions of happy cancer survivors living productive lives.